Hey everybody. So yeah, last time. So last time I started with the um, getting the spotlight into this. Right now, all we have are point lights. Um, this would probably actually be pretty cool with a spotlight. Um, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Um, but just because like one of the things I like to do is I think there's like kind of two things that I want to kind of check in with once in a while. And one is creating an eclipse, and the other one is a timer. I think I did a timer recently, and they are having a eclipse in Montreal, August 12th, 2025. So I thought it would be kind of cool. I guess it would be kind of cool to make it the camera a little closer. So let's move the camera to, let's see, four, three. Let's see. Oh, that's wild. It didn't change it um, until after the animation was done. Um, that is an interesting thing that has changed. And then I guess it would be better if this August 12th, if the date was down a little bit farther. So 1.5. There we go. Oh, but then that messed up the whole eclipse situation because the sun is much smaller than because the ratios as I got closer, the sun is much the ratio, the moon is way too big now. Um, so, hmm, that's actually some interesting math. But let's go ahead and I guess make the moon a little smaller. I wonder if zero point 0.4 works. Probably 0.3 and then like 7. Let's see. Go to animation and pause it. Sort of move it over to. It's still too small. Probably right there should be. It should be the full size. So it's So I think the moon is a little small. Maybe the sun is a little. Maybe the moon's yeah, the moon's a little big, or maybe the sun's a little small. So let's go with 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, 3. Let's see how that looks running. See, I like that. Um, that's awesome. And then I think that is actually a really good shot. Let's see. Click on that. Oh yeah, that's really cool. But anyways, so I do think this is probably the best um, eclipse I've done so far. I know I did one where I did some color changes that was pretty cool, and I've done some with the Earth where you kind of see the Earth um, get dark. And oh yeah, so the light is on the Earth and then around us, and then it gets dark. But I think this is really cool. I think that would be a pretty cool T-shirt right there. So I guess we're getting pretty good. Okay, so last time we talked about how um, once we edit a light, unfortunately we can't change a light in place. So that means we have to delete the existing light from the scene. And then we need to create a brand new light, but instead of creating when we add a light the first time, what we do is we create a new point light. We'll need to create a new spotlight or point light, depending on whatever it is. So basically, right here, we've determined that the light type has changed, but we haven't determined what kind it is. Um, so if light item dot light type equals, and it should give us, oh, I need to get out of this view. There we go. Equals point light, so that means we're changing from a spotlight to a point light. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a new point light. And I think we should actually call out every type. So if light item dot light type is equal to spotlight, then we're going to create a new spotlight. Now, either way, we need to delete spotlight. So we need to delete it from the scene, and we do something similar here, where we say find it and then remove it from the scene. Okay, so we're going to need to do this either way. Oops, did not mean to copy it. So either way, we need to, if it's changed, we need to find it. And then we need to delete it from the scene. It would be kind of nice just to be able to call the delete light, but I think the delete light also deletes the light item, which I don't want to delete the light item. So there will be deleted from the scene, and then in this one, this deletes it from our list of lights. And I don't know, it doesn't look like we announce it. We publish that, but this will do that, and let's see, light item dot ID. So basically we have a light item that has the ID, and so we just need to delete that from our list of lights, because this is just the list of lights that we keep locally. And our light item still has the old light ID. So once we do that, we need to create, so now it's gone. But if we, in the delete, we then also delete the light item, but we don't want to delete the light item. We just want to delete the light and replace it with the other kind of light. So creating a point light is super easy. So let's just go into add light. I don't think we can add light. I don't think we can, well, you know, it seems like we could just add the light at this. We could just call add light and pass it in the light. And then add that logic in here. I'm going to try that. I think that should work. I can't think of why it wouldn't work. So, and it seems like we don't even need to do this here. It seems like all this logic needs to go up here. And then we need to make that no longer a const. And okay, so I think we can just say let light. I don't think we have to assign it there. And then we'll just say new point light. I will be shocked if this all works the first time around. I just hope we can get it to work before. And I wonder if we can just say spotlight. Oh, okay. 3.spotlight. Okay, so this lights is not going to be happy because I think we set, it says you can't. Okay. So then I think we need to say, okay, so what I'm going to do is hard is 3-point light. Oh, wants all caps. And then this is, I don't know. I don't know exactly. I mean, it's like the transpiler is smart enough to know that this is, okay, so anyways, okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and go to this definition of lights. Let's go to our supported lights. That's pretty interesting that I set that up. Okay, or light, sport light. And then let's go ahead and have it import. And then let's see, light manager component. I'm in the wrong place. It's unhappy. We have deep dissatisfaction. I don't know why it took me here. Let me hit the back. Okay, this is getting me. Okay, I'm in there. Okay, let me hit back again. Okay, we're back into the ThreeJS service. It's upset with this. Okay, so it's still mad because it could be undefined. So I wonder, I don't think you can do as, let's see. I'm just curious if you can do this. Const L equals light as point light or spotlight. Let's see if we can get it to import this thing for us. I don't know, wherever you got point light from. Let's see. Spotlight. All right, so that problem goes away. Let's go ahead and get rid of these threes from here. Okay, so that's not doing any good. Oh. Okay, so that is, okay, so I'm just gonna go with that. I'm gonna name that 3 light. It's kind of lame. I mean, we probably shouldn't have to do this now. Light dot intensity, and this is saying that my light may not have this. And this is kind of cool because this is actually going to catch if something we have isn't available to all. I'm confident position is I mean, I'm starting to think this may work. Now I have no idea what we'll see though once we actually create a point light. Like, I mean, who the heck knows what's going to happen? All right, so basically, my gosh, what's your problem? Oh, can I add the or there? And then we are one last. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so basically we should be able to add a mesh. And so then what we need to do is probably change it to a normal or to a Phong. Okay, so now that's sitting at 0, 0, 0. Now I know the lights, that point light, it said it defaulted to pointing to 0, 0, 0. So let's go ahead and, okay, we have a point light. Let's make its Z position 3 and then change it to a spotlight. I don't know. I don't know if anything happened there. Let's see. Need to change this to a point light. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, I don't know if we ever did call. Yeah, I thought we called add. Let's see. So we said there. Now we're down to delete light. Update light. Oh yeah, we never did. Okay. So basically all we did was get a reference to the light. We deleted it from the list, but we did not delete it from the scenes. Okay, so then let's go to delete light. Man, I am doing this very haphazardly. Update light. There. Okay, we found it. We have removed it from list. And then move from scene. And okay, so what is that problem? Okay, so here's where we find it. What can I say? As or spotlight. And then I guess it's supported light. I wonder if that's right. Can I do that? Supported lights. Let's go ahead and take care of that up here. Supported lights. And go ahead and get rid of this one. Get rid of this one. Supported lights. Lights, remove light. And then we need to add the light. Light item. And then basically, I guess we'll just go ahead and let all this stuff happen to it. So it'll end up getting, well, no, it'll actually all end up getting set. Because I don't think all those things get set in the add light. Yeah, like, well, maybe they all do. I don't know. But I don't think it'll hurt anything to run through that stuff again. And I don't think we need this console log. And so it compiled. We'll add our mesh. We'll move it to. Oh no, we're going to leave this where it's at, but we're going to turn it into a Fong. And then we'll take our light. We'll add our light. We'll move it to 5, 3. And then basically, I guess, if we take this mesh, I bet we, well, who knows? Um, let's go ahead and make this mesh like 100 wide. I guess 10 wide is fine. And then let's see if we see something different. Well, let's see if it works at all or if it breaks or something. And then, oh yeah, baby. That is awesome blossom. So let's go back over to the light. That is so cool. Oh, well, no, that's not the greatest because we still have. So basically what happened was we got a new light. It did not, we didn't delete the light from this list, and that we'll have to figure that out. So let's see. Yeah, they're both, see, I think these are twinsies now. So like if I, let's see if I change this. Yeah, see they're duplicates. I have a feeling it's in the form. So, and it's probably because I'm not, um, I'm probably, well, no, it's doing the signal there. But so somehow something, it's not deleting it. So, and now, and it's kind of cool because these are bound together. Um, oh, that is really neat. Um, so, but they are bound together, right? These are both the exact same one. I would be interesting if I delete one. Does it delete both? It deletes both. Yeah. So, I don't know if we have two items. I don't know if we have two. Um, I know we don't. I'm pretty sure we don't have two actual lights, but it looks like we might have two light items. Um, oh, and that's yeah, and that's probably why we can't. That's the problem. Is this, not this? There is a so yeah. When we do this, we actually add it to that light items. So, I mean, I guess technically we can also remove it from the light items and then it should get added back in. Um, this video is already too long though. So I'm going to leave it at that. Next time we'll find out if I can just do basically this, but for the light items. Um, and then when we add it, it'll just go back in and no harm, no foul. Or yeah, I would imagine I can do that. I can just say lights items equals light items filter, literally this identical code, and then when we call I light item will still exist because we won't have deleted all references to it because we have this reference, this local reference. Pass it in to the add, and then the add should add it back in. Hopefully we don't end up with one of those weird um, errors in the console that say something changed before we could do the update. I don't think we will um, because, yeah, I don't think we will because that'll happen the um, before the change is is propagated or published. But that's that. Happy coding, everybody. Bye.